Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today we're going to try to find an answer to a question: is it still a good time to invest in Bitcoin? You need to remember that everything that you're going to hear in this video is just my private opinion. It's not an investment advice, so have that in mind. And now let's start. First of all, let's analyze stock to flow model. As you can see over here, we are right now in this orange phase of stock to flow model, and as you can see in the past, this model worked pretty well in predicting the price of Bitcoin. And according to stock to flow model, in 2021, Bitcoin price at the end of 2021 should be at around $100,000. So since right now we are at around $30,000 or $40,000, that means we can potentially see at least 2 times higher price at the end of 2021. Also, have in mind that over here, during the previous bull runs, whenever we were in the orange phase over here, that meant from 90 to 1000, that's 10x. Then over here we were at around $900, and during the bull run we hit almost $20,000, so that's 20x. And right now we are at $40,000, and it's also this orange phase over here that we have marked with orange color. So that would potentially mean that $100,000 is very, very likely in the future. And let's see over here that whenever we hit this orange color over here, we had a correction. Over here we had a smaller correction from $1,200 to around $800. Here the correction was bigger from $200 to $87. So right now we saw correction from $40,000 to around $33,000. So it may be exactly this correction that we saw over here and over here, which means that from the bottom of the correction the price would rise around 10 to 20 times, according to stock to flow model. Of course, this is just my private opinion. It's not a financial advice. Now let's take a look at the rainbow chart. In the rainbow chart, it shows if it's a good time to invest, and it's marked by the color, so it's super easy to understand. And as you can see over here, the best time to buy is the blue zone, then we've got green zone, yellow zone, mid hodl, and then the FOMO starts and the huge rises start from orange all the way to red zone. And as you can see in the past, whenever we hit this yellow zone, we saw rise, for example, from 60 to $240. Then we've hit the zone again from 133 rising to 1,200, so it's almost 10x. Then in the next bull run we've hit this zone over here at 4,900. We saw a correction to 3,900, and then we went up until 19,000. So right now we are most likely in the same phase as we were over here. We are seeing the small correction. The small correction can maybe even take us all the way to 25,000. Of course, it may happen, may not happen. We don't know. The future will tell. And then after that, we may see rise until around $120,000, $150,000. According to this model, in the end of 2029, we should see Bitcoin at around $178,000. Of course, time will show if it's gonna happen or not. But according to this model, it's still a good time to buy, and we may also see a small correction which will make it a sale and a perfect opportunity to buy bags of Bitcoin before the coming FOMO and huge bull run. Now over here we've got a third chart that shows that during this bull run over here, we saw a price increase by around 9,000%. Then in the second bull run over here, we saw a price increase of 3,000%, which is this bull run divided by 3 when it comes to percentage-wise. So if this proportion will be valid during this bull run, we would see Bitcoin at around 1,000% increase from this moment over here, and that would put us at $144,000. So have in mind that since Bitcoin is around $40,000 now, you could still earn up to 5x if those 3 models that I've mentioned work out. So is it still a good time to buy Bitcoin? My personal opinion, yes. But like I said, it's not a financial advice, so if you're gonna make a decision, make it by yourself. And before we finish, let's see at some predictions from analytics. So, according to AAX, Bitcoin may hit in 2021 may range between $36,000 and $55,000. According to JP Morgan, the same JP Morgan that said a few years ago that Bitcoin is a scam and it will not last, it's just a bubble. Now, JP Morgan is investing in Bitcoin, not only investing, it's analyzing Bitcoin and is trying to predict the price. And according to more modest prediction from JP Morgan, Bitcoin will be in between 50 and 100,000 through this year. And according to some analytics from JP Morgan, Bitcoin will hit $146,000 this year, and all-time high of Bitcoin this year could hit even up to $318,000. So according to all of these predictions from JP Morgan, from AAX, from all the charts that I've showed you, we are still in a good moment to buy Bitcoin, fundamentally, based on all those charts. And I hope that if you are wondering if it's a good time to buy Bitcoin or not, you have a dilemma, I hope this video helped you to make a decision whether you should buy or not buy. However, like I said, this is not a financial advice, this is just my private opinion, so have that in mind. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if, in your opinion, this is a good time to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency, and which cryptocurrency, in your opinion, has the biggest potential for 2021. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.